Right, good morning. Mind Snoop, please. Right, I'm up with my two boys. I've just put the washing machine on. Back door's still open at the moment. I've just got to strip the duvet cover in the boys' back room. Here we go. We'll do that now. A bit of light. It's a bit dark in here. Hello, Snoopers. Mind yourself, fella. I've just come down. I've just got myself all ready to go out. If I stand the selfie stick up here, guys, so I can just get the duvet cover off their sofa. Is that it? Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, lovely. Right. Oh, I slept really well last night. I really had good sleep. Don't you knock my phone, Snoopy. Snoop's rolling around on the carpet. Here we go. I'm telling that fella. Oh, you know what you want. Boys want to go out for a W. I can't say the W word because they'll start running around. So, yeah, so I've got my washing machine on. I'm doing my bedding at the moment. And I'll do this duvet cover for my boys. I've got a spare one. I've always got one in the wash and one spare. So this one's got to come out. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Right. Right, I don't know whether you do this. It's something I've always done, been told or taught how to do it. That was my ex taught me how to do this. Is if you ever put your duvet cover in the washing machine and wash it with other things, it always ends up that your duvet cover ends up being like a laundry bag and everything ends up inside it. And it doesn't dry properly. It doesn't get washed properly, doesn't dry properly. So when I've taken my duvet out, I always rebutton the duvet cover up, inside out, and that goes in the washing machine like that. And that way it doesn't end up being a laundry bag. And it works really well. I know, we're nearly there, guys. Nearly there. Boys are itching to go. Here we go. I did sleep well last night. I had happy dreams last night. It was a really good night's sleep. Right, that's the boys' duvet cover's got to be washed. I can't do that till I get back from the walk, guys, because I've already got some washing in there at the moment. Right, oh, here's my new cover, guys. And as they say, here's one I did earlier. Right, if I can find the end, I'll unbutton it. Here it is. Lovely. Oh, it's absolutely glorious out there today. Blue sky, not a cloud in the sky. Very light winds, so it should heat up to a nice day. I've got a skirt on this morning. I've got my green pleated skirt. I've got a little pink top, which I'll show you in a minute. I've got my green cardi to keep my arms warm to start with. It's a little bit nippy still, but that will soon warm up. And if it stays like this today, I'll end up with a dress on by the end of the day. Got to see Peter this afternoon. So obviously I can't go dressed up when I go and see Peter, but I do intend to go and see my mum and dad later as well and cut their grass for them. So I think it should be a good day. It's looking better than it did yesterday. Here we go. Nearly there, Soot. Nearly there. You're so good. I can see you watching me. Here we go. Right, here we go, guys. I'm in. Right. Right, I do this like I do a pillow. I put my hands inside, find the corners, grab hold of the duvet and flip it over again. Right, that's that corner, that corner. There you go, guys, that was that easy. And that one. There's that one. There we go, guys. that's it, guys. And this is a problem I get, and I don't know if you suffer the same as I do, but whenever I kneel down in a skirt, when I go to stand up, I always catch the skirt. There you go. Is that okay? That's leaning on the fireplace. I'll move it a little bit further. Is that any better? That's better. Right. I've got my green matching shoes on today. I'll show you in a second. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. There you go, all done. Oh my goodness. Right, push it in the corner. You see a bit of a doggy theme going here, guys. There you go. Right. There you go, all done. See my doggy theme duvet cover for my boys. Right, here we go. Right, that's for later. I'll put that over there. Right, garden should be okay. Boys are in there, just make sure the gate's still shut. Yeah, gate's all shut, guys. Right, here we go. Right. Right, back door's locked. I'll turn that radio off. There you go, all done. Right, I'll give you top to toe before we go. I know, Sooty, I can hear you. Sooty's getting all excited. I'll get the camera the right angle. There you go. How's that? Is that better? Right, don't need this done up now. I had it done up while I was doing the duvet cover. Right, so I've got a little pink top. There you go. I've got my green pleated skirt on. And a little mint green cardi. Keep my arms a little bit warmer. I can pull it down if I need to. I always roll my sleeves up, I always have. Hence I've always got brown arms. And I've got my little green shoes on. Let me show you my shoes. Mine's Sooty? No. Sooty's come to have a look at the green shoes. Hang on. Right, there you go, my little green shoes. There you go, all done. Right, should we go out? I think it's about that time. Right, here we go. How's that? That's better, isn't it? Right. Come on, it's no good you sitting on the settee. We're going out now. Come on. Come on, Snoop. Come on in. Come on, Snoop. Go on, off you go. Good boys. Right, we're in the front room. Mind your bum. Good boys. Right, I've got a shed and buried on. Not shed and buried, what is it? Oh, I've forgotten what it's called now. Let me have a look. Find it, flog it, something like that, isn't it? Information. Find it, fix it, flog it. But I was watching it earlier, but I've been doing the washing side, so there you go. Right, that's done. You can see the sun's coming through my front window now. Right, everything's off. Oh! You see the sun coming through my window? It's beautiful out there, guys. Right, I've got my keys. I've got a letter to post to DVLA, that's my logbook, which I'm going to put in the post on the way out today. So I'm going to sign out now, guys, unlock the car, and I shall speak to you guys later. Bye-bye.